What's going on, guys? Right here with the super secret affiliates.com. And in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make $30 in 30 seconds. Now, if you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Make sure you like the video, turn on your notifications, so therefore you don't miss any of the awesome content that I will be bringing to you. So in today's video, I'm going to reveal 3 websites for this strategy on how you can make $30 in 30 seconds. I'm also going to show you how easy it is to do exactly this. And don't worry, guys, this method is available worldwide, and you don't need any experience to get going. And most importantly, this strategy is completely free. I'm going to show you exactly how you could implement this strategy using a free tool that I'm going to give you. And you can get started completely free. And this is for anybody to do if you just follow the easy steps. So with that being said, let me hop into it. So what we're going to go to is peopleperhour.com. Now, make sure you guys write down these websites, and what People Per Hour is. It's a freelance website. So this is where freelancers go to get gigs, and this is where businesses go to get some form of their project done. Now, People per hour is similar to Fiverr. The difference between People Per Hour and Fiverr is completely, it's a lot of people going on Fiverr, and it's overly saturated. So if you're just coming in and you're beginning, it's going to be kind of hard. If you haven't already had an established business within Fiverr, it's going to be hard for you to get going on Fiverr. But with People Per Hour, it's just like Fiverr. It's just not as saturated. Not as many freelancers are on there just yet. So this is a perfect time to get on. So basically, guys, look at this. So right here, this is for logo designs. Now, don't worry about it, because you don't click off, don't go nowhere, because I'm going to show you how you can actually create logos for these people completely free. So look at this. 26 bucks, 40 bucks, 170 bucks, 26 bucks, 26 bucks, 131 bucks. That's why I said you can make, I just went in and sent a proposal, $30 in 30 seconds. I mean, that's really how simple this strategy is and how easy it is to do it and send in your proposal. So as you guys can see, all of these, 200 bucks for a logo. And with people.net, as you can see, over 900,000 businesses has done business on People Per Hour, and over 2 million freelancers. And look at that, over $130 million earned already by freelancers. And you can implement this strategy after I show you in this video. Now, that's the first website. The second website is going to be truelancer.com. It's similar to Fiverr, similar to People Per Hour, and it's another freelancer website where you can use this exact same strategy, doing exactly the same thing. And the third website I'm going to show you is called upwork.com. And again, this is just like the other two. It's a freelancer website. You're going to go in and use the same strategy as far as a logo creator, and you're going to get gigs based off of this. So now I know you guys are like, look, I'm not about to go spend $200, $300, $400, $500 on getting Photoshop and learning how to do Photoshop, and it's just going to be time consuming. Don't worry, guys. I'm going to show you exactly how you can do this for free using the exact tool that I'm about to show you. So without further, let's go over to here, and it's going to be freelogodesign.org. Now, what this is a free site where you can create a free logo for you to submit to submit to these companies that are looking for logos. So you're going to use this free tool to create logos. So let me show you how easy it is. Let's say it's going to be a daycare. We're going to say it's all occasion childcare. Okay. Now we're just going to name it that. It could be anything, but we're going to name it that. So we're going to come up here to children and childcare, and you're going to click get started. So now look at this, guys. Look, as you can see, look at all of these logos that you can create, however you want to create it. And so I'm going to pick this one right here, and you click add. Now right here, it's kind of off, so you could, drag it over here, drag this one, line it up. Look how easy this is, guys. I didn't want to do that. No. Okay, hold on. Let's drag this down. So I want to just move this whole picture as one. Pull that up some. Then we're going to come back up here. So look how easy this is, guys. I mean, it's real simple, and you can work at it and do it how you want. But I mean, look at this. Look how simple it is. If you want to make this bigger, drag it down some. If you want to change the color, so I mean, look, you could change the color in this. You could change the color in these. Like, look how simple this is, guys. To really sit back and do this. And now, now you have a logo that, and again, you can create this however you want. Play with it. Move it around, change, you can change the font size. You can change the fonts, all of that. So it's just something that you could play with. And then let's just say if you wanted to add, a logo here, you could, or, you can get another icon. Let's go with a teddy bear. And you could, do it exactly how you want, kind of, you could turn it, all that good stuff. So you could come in and you can pretty much play with this. You can play with it, and you can go, as you can see, you can undo things and all of that. So you can come in here, you can play with this, and you can create a logo that you can then turn around and go and submit to these companies, and again, if they like your logo, they like your design, guess what? $26, $40, $39, $170. So you can see the power of this, and you're going to all of these websites using this exact same strategy. So you're just going to come over here, and then you're going to download this once you have it to however you want to have it. You're going to download this, and then you're going to come back over here to these websites, and you are going to submit the exact document or the exact logo that you have just created for free. So just imagine, guys, like $26, $130. Just imagine if you create a logo and this company likes your logo, boom, you've made 131 bucks. And as you've seen how quick it was just to do this. I mean, and you can, again, you could change all of this. You can customize it. You can put designs, you can put shapes, you can put whatever you want up in here. You can put whatever you want in here and just go from there. So it will really be up to you. But I mean, as you can see, it's a free tool that you could use just to get going, and then you can submit it onto these freelancers websites. So you're able to make money without even spending any money, because all three of these websites are free to sign up. And then you come over here to the free logo creator and you create a free logo and you download it and submit it back up to these companies. Guys, look, 131 bucks. It took me how long? 30 seconds to create this. So again, you can use this strategy for pretty much any job, any logo, and it's a free tool that you could use. So if you guys like the video, make sure you if you guys had value in the video, make sure you guys like the video, share it, and subscribe to the channel. And until next time, I'll catch you on the next video. This is called an active income. So what that means is that you have to actually complete a task, and then you get paid once that task is completed. After that, the money stops. So basically, you're trading your time for dollars. Now, if you want to learn how to make a full-time passive income online like I have, an income that's being generated even while you're asleep, or income that's being generated while you're on the beach with your family and friends, enjoying some fun in the sun on that much needed vacation off to that exotic island that you've always wanted to visit, but you didn't have the time or maybe even the funds to do it. Enjoying excursions like scuba diving and jet skiing, doing the things that you want, when you want, with who you want to do it with. That's the power of a passive income, the freedom of time. Or if you felt handcuffed to that 9 to 5, much like I did, and want to break free from that working every day, 8, 10, 12 hours a day, feeling stressed and underappreciated, all of that just to make somebody else rich. Or if you're just tired of that traffic that you have to jump into every morning just to get to work to make somebody else rich, and then turn around and have to jump right back in it after working 10, 12 hours a day just to get home to your family who is waiting for you. If you want to break free from all those things, if you want your freedom, if you want to empower yourself to do the things you want to do with the most important people to you, and if you're ready to walk through that door of opportunity that's right in front of you right now, I'm going to leave a link down in the description of the video for my #1 recommendation on how you can start earning a true passive income online, right from the comfort of your own home. Now, this is not going to be for those tire kickers or those freebie seekers or for those who is going to waste time. This is a real legitimate business that has changed my life, and it can change yours as well. But you've got to take action. If you're ready to elevate your business and elevate your financial status and your family, then click on that link down in the description of the video. And remember, guys, it's time to invest in your business, and it's time to invest in yourself.